this video we are going to understand the concept of length of arc. Let us look at this concept. This is a circle of radius r, and suppose if I ask you what is the length of arc, that means what is the circumference of the circle or the perimeter of the circle. So how will you tell me the perimeter of the circle? The formula for circumference or perimeter of the circle is perimeter of circle. What is perimeter of circle? That is equal to 2 pi r, and this is actually known as circumference. The different name which is given to this is circumference of the circle. Now if I ask you that what is the central angle, the central angle is 360 degree. So I am writing a unitary method to solve this. 360 degree is the central angle. Then what is the perimeter of this circle? It is 2 pi r. If 1 degree is the central angle, then what is the perimeter of this circle? 2 pi r upon 360. And suppose if the angle is theta, then what will be the perimeter of the length of the arc? So if theta is the angle, then it is 2 pi r theta by 360 degree. So this is the formula for length of arc. Length of arc. So length of arc is 2 pi r, the circumference of the circle, multiply by theta by 360. So what you have to actually learn is what is theta. Theta is the central angle. Now let us see this figure very carefully. If I make this theta this way, then this theta is less than 180, right? Then if I make this theta this way, then this theta is how much? It is equal to 180. And then if I make this theta this way, now see this one, this theta is more than 180. So what is the difference between the three? If theta is less than 180, then what is the length of arc? The length of arc is this one. So this is called minor arc. Minor arc. Because the value of the central angle is less than 180. What if the value of theta is equal to 180? Then it is a semicircle. What is it called? Semicircle. All of you know that this is called semicircle. And what if the angle is more than 180? If the angle is more than 180, then the arc corresponding to this is this one. देखो ये आर्क सेमी सर्कल से ज़्यादा है. So this is called major arc. Have you understood the concept of minor arc, semicircle and major arc, which depends on the central angle? If the central angle is less than 180, it is minor arc. Corresponding arc, if you call this one, then it is obviously reflex angle and it will be major arc. This is semicircle in both the portion. And if theta is considered to be this one, then corresponding arc is called major arc. And what is the length of arc given by? Length of arc is given by 2 pi r theta upon 360 degree. Now similarly we have to understand the concept of area of sector. Suppose we draw a circle. Then drawing a circle, I make angle theta this way. So what is area of sector? Area of sector is the area enclosed between two radii. So this can be this one also and this one also. Suppose if I make theta here, then theta is less than 180, then this is called minor sector. Minor sector. And the remaining one will be called major sector. Now suppose another figure, I make theta is equal to 180 degree. So this is how much? This is 180 degree. Then this is called semicircle. Semicircle ka area will be equal to half of the circle. Now the third figure which I make is in which the value of angle, suppose I make it this way only, but I mark theta here, so theta is greater than 180. So this is called major sector. Major sector क्यों है? क्योंकि ये वाला portion I am talking of. So minor sector theta less than 180, semicircle theta is equal to 180, and major sector theta is more than 180. Now I have to find out area. In any of the case, what is the way we are supposed to find out the area? That we have to learn in this. Now suppose if the central angle is 360 degree, complete angle है, तो सर्कल का एरिया क्या होगा? पूरे पोर्शन का एरिया क्या होगा, पाई आर स्क्वायर. फाइन. इफ़ द एंगल इज़ 1 डिग्री देन यूनिटरी मेथड अप्लाई करो, पाई आर स्क्वायर अपॉन 360 डिग्री. इफ़ इट इज़ थीटा देन व्हाट विल बी द एंगल, पाई आर स्क्वायर थीटा बाय 360. रिमाइंड यू समथिंग, it is similar to your length of arc, area of sector. लेंथ ऑफ आर्क में क्या होता था, 2 पाई आर थीटा बाय 360. एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर में क्या होगा, पाई आर स्क्वायर थीटा बाय 360. सो यू जस्ट हैव टू फाइंड आउट थीटा. ये थीटा चाहे मेजर हो, माइनर हो, लेस देन 180 हो, मोर देन 180 हो, कुछ भी हो, it does not affect me. What affects is that we can find out this, that whether it is minor sector, whether it is semicircle, whether it is major sector. But the formula remains the same for any of theta. The formula is pi r square theta by 360 degree. Yes, have you understood? And the unit, since this is area, so it will be square unit. And what will be the unit of length of arc? Since it is length, so the unit will be units only. Fine. So this is how you calculate the area of sector of circle.